Hi there, I'd like to show you this Tik Tok lamp I made. It's a wall lamp made with an LED strip as the light source. It's really easy to make. I just cut everything by hand. It's all from like sheet material. So I use this Olaf utility knife, craft knife thing, and to cut everything. And I use this contact glue to stick everything, and so the LED lamp works really well. It has this like remote control and a sensor, so it's got lots of different functions, and I'll just show that to you later on. And it came out really well and nice and sturdy, and it's just from sheet material, so it'd be very easy to make it. This was like the pack of the LED lamp. Is like a kit, so it comes like a strip of LEDs, comes with the driver and everything that's needed to get that working, so that's really handy. And the materials that I used were this 3mm black foam board for the front plate of it. The back plate is a white foam board I had, which is, I think it's 5mm white board. And again, that stuff's really easy to cut with a craft knife. And the side walls, I got a plastic folder, and I just got one that was nice and rigid. This is probably like a polypropylene sheet or something, and I cut it into strips as I needed them, and glued them in place there. And these nice bits here that give the nice bit of colour, I use these filters. These filters I got online, and I have links to the pieces that you can check them out. These were probably the most expensive parts of the whole thing that I built. But then, you know, I only used a small little bit of it, so if you're going to use these for other projects, then that's great. You have a lot of material here. So here's the lamp. I have it set up on the wall. I'm just going to show you the different functions I have on the remote here. I got the top line, which is an on-off there on the right. On the left, those two switches are for like dimming it. It doesn't have colors. It just has white light, but it does have the options of switching between a cool white light and a warm white light. Yeah, so you can just like toggle up and down through it, or pick these pre-selected modes. And then it also has this button here. I think it says flash, and when you press them, it goes through like a strobe sequence that then I think was going back up here. You can make that go faster and slower, so that's all pretty cool to have all those different options. So let's just turn it on, and that's obviously the warmest. So yeah, it goes like switching from warmest to coolest color. And I'll also show you the intensity now. So I think that might be at the most intense. It's morning time here, so it's already bright. And I put it down to the lowest. You don't even really see it because the daylight is more powerful. Yeah, so there you see it coming up to the most intense. I'll do that for you on the yellow setting as well, and the warmest setting. And we'll go down through them. You can see that my dog is joining in here in this video, I'm afraid. So yeah, that's interesting. I'm going to bring it back up, and I'll show you and I'm going to bring it off that yellow. I don't particularly like the yellow, not on this logo anyway. You know, it's a little bit of warmth, but not too much. And then so the flashing setting, I don't know where. Oh yeah, okay. So that is now, it's flashing on the yellow. Let me see if I can get it to the white light. It's flashing on the white light, and that's the lowest setting of the flash. But I can bring it up so it's almost like a strobe light. This might have a really weird effect on the lighting here. Right, so yeah, go faster, or weird effect on the automatic light meter of the camera is what I mean. Yeah? So here we're going to get faster, getting a bit crazy. And yeah, and that's the fastest. It almost looks like a old cinema flicker, no? Let's stop that, and we'll do it in the yellow. So that's the yellow. I think it goes back to the fastest where it was before. And we come down to the slowest. So that's just a bit of fun there. You can play around with what you need. So I hope you liked the video. I have a link in the description to show you a full set of instructions that I've put up on the Instructables website. So you can check out how I made it, and if you'd like to build it, go ahead and do it. Let me know and show me the results. Okay, catch you later.